We like to find people in the local area that want to stay around. We have a good opportunity to build long-term careers, and we find that students at SVSU come well prepared.
There's several reasons that Raymond looks at SVSU for candidates. I think one of the biggest ones is that the curriculum for the accounting majors is very much in line with what we're looking for in our candidates. The college does an excellent job of helping them develop those critical thinking skills, which is very important to us. Communication skills, whether that be in written form or verbally. What we're getting are students that are coming to us that are very articulate and have good critical thinking skills, which are two of the biggest qualities that we look for.
These are people that are in our region. It helps to build the Great Lakes Bay region and our community as well.